Here is how to solve non-right triangles using the law of sines and a lesson about what the law of sines is. For this problem, we are asked to find the side length x in a triangle. However, because the triangle is not 90 degrees, we cannot use the methods we usually do to solve right triangles, like the Pythagorean theorem or basic right triangle trigonometry. In this case, what we can use is something called the law of sines. What this law tells us is relatively simple. It states that the ratio of any side of a triangle to the sine of its opposite angle is always equal for all three sides. This law lets us solve for basically any non-right triangle, as long as we are given the following: either two angles plus any side, or any two angles plus a non-included angle, meaning that the angle is not formed by the two sides. Now, let's try to solve for the x value in this triangle using the law we just learned. So, our law tells us that the ratio of the side length 20 to the sine of its opposite angle 62 is equal to the ratio of the side length x to the sine of its opposite angle, which is 85. Now, let me put this down. Finally, all that's left to do is to solve for x in this equation. And to do that, I will multiply both sides of this equation by sine of 85 and these two will cancel out. And this leaves us with x is equal to 20 sine of 85 over sine of 62. And that is the length of our x using the law of sines. If you learned something from this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more math tips and lessons.